I want to get a color analysis like professionally done. I've seen so many TikTok videos, and every time I see a TikTok video, I get like major FOMO. I want to get a color analysis, but then I looked at the prices. What? One color analysis is like $350. I don't know, maybe I'm cheap, but that seems like a lot of money when I could probably just do it myself. But I saw this TikTok video of this girly that used ChatGPT to give herself a color analysis. So let's give it a shot. I'm gonna take you along for the journey. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So here's the TikTok, let's watch it.
You guys heard of this color analysis thing you can do with ChatGPT? It's like getting your colors done, but for us bougie on a budget chicks. So let's do it. Start with a picture of yourself, neutral lighting, and you're gonna get the hex code for like somewhere up here around your forehead. Go into your iPhone edit and copy that into ChatGPT. And you're gonna ask this prompt based on the seasons. So like spring, summer, fall, winter, you know how it's done. So then you can take it a step further and go by your hair color, which mine is a wig, but that's okay. And copy that in and tell it your eye color, and it will give you even further recommendations as far as like what colors suit you best. I learned I'm an autumn girly. Would you try this? Let me know, and make sure you save it so you know the prompts to use.
Okay, let's put this to the test. Let's get my computer. So this is the headshot I'm gonna use for getting the hex codes. My skin color is, my hair is brown, as we can see. Okay, so my hair is like a dark brown. My hair, and then my eyes. This is probably like the worst. This like does not do my eyes. There, it's gonna think, it thinks my eyes, that is just not a good photo of my eyes. My eyes are like this hazel color, but all of these like photos are really bad. Okay. The moment of truth. Yep. Sure. Oh my gosh, okay, here we go. Okay, my color analysis, it's saying that, so my hair is like a deep, rich brown, which is true. My eyes are a warm, earthy, medium brown. My eyes are really hazel, but I could not find a photo to like screenshot the hazel. My skin is like a warm peachy tone with warm undertones, I think. It's saying I'm an autumn or a spring. So I don't know if this is working because I don't think I'm an autumn. I think I'm a spring. So, okay, interesting. I don't think that's right. That's not right at all because I look so much better in like blues and purples. So, the ChatGPT method did not work, but I kind of was able to like self-diagnose myself. Diagnose is like not the right word, but I was able to kind of like piece it together. I do think I am a summer. It would still be kind of fun to get a color analysis, but I think this will be just fine for me. I'm not gonna spend $350. If you are like a stylist and you do this color analysis, can you just explain to me like why this is so expensive? Like I don't understand why this is expensive. I respect the craft, I respect the art. You probably have a lot of expertise, but that just seems really expensive to me. So I might be cheap, but yes, so don't try the color analysis with ChatGPT. Just try to do it on yourself because I think that can work to some extent. That's interesting. So that method did not work. Let's see if there is another method.
ChatGPT is not gonna help you find your color season. There, I said it. I have seen a lot of videos with a lot of views where girls are claiming that ChatGPT helped them find their color season. And then when they say what their color season is, it's not right. Like every single one of these I've watched has given them the wrong color season. So why? Why is it so wrong so consistently? It's wrong for a couple of reasons. Everyone's putting in one skin tone color, one eye color, and one hair color, and then asking ChatGPT what their color season is based on the hex number. And that is just too few inputs on your face for them to be accurate. the hex number for this part of me is gonna be really, really different than the hex number for this part, or this part, or this part, or this part. In your eyes, there are up to like 50 colors in there, just depending on what your eye color is. And I see people picking a color from their hair that is dyed or has been lightened by the sun. So you're actually giving ChatGPT false data to work with in that case. Not to mention that your overtones aren't always your undertones. You could appear warm to the eye based on your skin color, but when you put warm colors against your skin, you're actually cool toned underneath. And ChatGPT just can't detect those things based on 3 random data points. When a person does your color analysis, they're taking in thousands of data points. They're looking at every part of your face, your skin, your hair, your eyes, your lips, to understand the whole picture of what you look like. Then, either virtually or in person, they're draping colors against your skin to see how your face reacts. For example, do you look better in warm colors or in cool colors? The human eye is able to detect thousands and thousands of inputs at once and process those using the brain, which is just way more complex than a language model like ChatGPT. I know that this is complicated, and I really wish that there was a super easy, definitive way to tell. But what colors look good on you, what you look like, these are all subjective questions, which means that by nature, it's gonna be a little more complicated. If you wanna know what your color season is—
I knew it. I knew it. She is a color analysis stylist. I could just tell. Great video though, great video. Okay, so, all right, so ChatGPT apparently does not work for color analysis. I'm not quite ready to spend $350 for color analysis. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bring a bunch of colors and I'm just gonna like drape them near my face, and we're gonna see like what actually looks good. So I'll be right back. So I went into my closet and I just pulled as many colors as I could. So this is what we're gonna do, is I am going to kind of drape them over my face, and we are gonna see if they do me any good. So this is gonna be chaotic, but it's fine. So I just grabbed as many colors as I could pull, trying to add just a variety of different colors. So let's start with this one. So I just actually bought this. I'm kind of on the fence. I got this from Nordstrom Rack. I love this like purple plum color, but it has some like weird, it has like a weird pattern like right underneath the bust. I'm kind of on the fence about it, but let's see what we look like. So I'm just looking in the mirror here. I mean, you see this like pop of color, the contrast. There's a lot of contrast between, I think, my brown hair, my fair skin, and this color. So I think this is more of a summer color. So next I got this from Buffalo Exchange, and I don't know why I saw the tags on this. I bought this like a year ago, and I really liked this because it's kind of unique. It's like a cropped, colored, but like casual shirt. And so I like the style of this, but I don't know if this is like my color. See what I'm talking about? It's like pale on pale. I don't know that is gonna do me any favors. So I don't think that is my color. Oh, let's try red. So red, holiday season. Okay, so contrast. So I see the contrast. Oh, you can kind of see the orange, which this is not the shirt to wear for this video. You see like the red? Maybe. Red could work. I'm gonna need your help to figure out like what my color is, to see if you can truly do a color analysis test at home, or if you have to pay $350 to get a color analysis. Okay, black. I love a black turtleneck. I love the color black, but I don't know if it's my color. Black, does it? This is not how it's supposed to look, but I just want you to see like black in my face. Okay, I personally think that like washes me out a little bit. Okay, let's go with the colors, just because I'm so fair skinned. Do think that like oh man, this is nice. I have heard that purple and blues are like my color. cut. Speaking of blue, also I got this from Nordstrom Rack and I love this. So I've heard this is a really good color on me. Just ignore the orange underneath. I feel like this is not how to do it, but we're trying. You gotta DIY it. Okay, so then we have more beiges. I can pull off like a crisp white, but I don't think I can pull off something like this. Okay. Let's go for some darker colors. So again, a little bit more contrast. This is really pretty. Got this from Amazon. This is from a brand called Jessica, which I love. Okay, so then we have this. Quite peachy. So this is from Jessica. It's a brand called Jessica on Amazon. And I have like, what, six different shirts in different colors. I love this so much, but I don't know, this is kind of peachy. And then blue, I can tell you right now, I think this is gonna be my color. Blue. Again, I think it's hard with like, you can see some of this orange, which is not the shirt to wear. I should have worn white. And then this is kind of an off-white. Again, a fun color, a great color, but I don't think it's my color. And then this is like, gosh. Pop of color. Okay, so just from doing a self-diagnosis, that is not what it's called, but I don't know how else to categorize it. I think I am a summer, but let me know in the comments if you think I can pull off like the whites, the blacks, the like burnt orange colors. I do think I'm a summer, but I think I'm just gonna have to go with that because I'm not spending $350. Unless I get some sort of discount, or maybe I could like find a student or somebody who's like getting trained in color analysis and like wants their first couple of clients. Maybe that makes me look cheap. Again, not trying to offend anybody here. All that to say, do not try ChatGPT. It will not work. Everybody's an autumn. I'm not an autumn. I think I'm a summer, but let me know in the comments if you think I am a summer or you think I can pull off some of those like more whites and blacks and like beiges. But I would say if you are looking to get your colors done, just do it yourself, but don't use ChatGPT. So learn from my mistakes. So hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions and I'll see you in the next one.